choose here the hidden. So we have just added the floor. Let me just unhide the elements. One of the easiest steps I found to unhide these walls, windows and doors is to select everything and click on filter, check none, select the doors or the elements you want. I'm just choosing here doors, windows and walls, and click OK, and then we can just click on unhide elements. And if I just close this hidden, so there we should be able to see this. So actually I think the doors are not visible. Maybe I am just going to this. Yeah, doors are not visible, so I can just choose them unhide category, select one of the doors and choose unhide category and just select OK and OK. This is just selected to covers, and if I just again go into this and click on this unhide by category, windows are unhidden. So I'm just closing. So we get back to our view. We have the plan, we have the walls, and let me just differentiate the okay. So we have this 9-inch wall. We can differentiate it by just clicking on it and choose some pattern fill in the chorus fill. Let me just use the solid, or maybe we can use this color to differentiate it. Yeah, this is the wall and the transparent one is the plinth wall. So next we will be placing the stairs. So for that I'm just using this reference planes to draw our certain reference planes. I'm just choosing the pickup, use the 4 feet and just choose this inner edge. From that we need 4 feet wide stairs. So I'm just choosing a few reference planes to guide my stairs. So this is the, so actually now we know that the tread will be 1 feet wide or 1 feet deep, so we can just choose the 1 feet wide for the tread. And let me just pick up the 3 steps here. So actually there will be 3 steps here, and if I just go to the dimensions and if I just try to measure this, okay, maybe we can measure the distance here. You can choose the distance tool. Maybe we can choose from here to here. It is 4 feet, so it will be 4 steps. So this is 3, 4, 4, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So our stairs, we need to actually place the 16 steps. So again here using 1 feet. So our 16 steps will end here. So I'm just choosing now the stairs. Under the architectural tab, go to the stairs and click on the, choose here the width as 4 feet, and let us just use the monolithic stairs, and let me just choose here the steps to be 16 if we are correct. Okay, let's just choose that. Now select here. Now as I draw the stairs, it is just picking up the center line. You can just choose here left or right as may be satisfied in your case. So I'm just choosing the second point, and now I have just placed the 3 steps. I'm just moving to the next because this will be our landing in between and it will be added automatically when I choose this next point. So I'm just choosing the end point here. So our 3 steps and 4 steps, and in between is a landing. Again, now I'm just choosing here. So this is the trace here, and from here to here we are just finished it with 16 steps. Okay, that's the beauty of the Revit. And let me just choose here from level 1 to level 2. So just hit OK, and if we can see if this works or not. Actually this is working. Let me just go to the 3D and uncheck the section box, and we can just choose here the hidden. So this is our stairs. Let me just clear the external railing. So if I just choose the stair and focus on it with the section box, choose the groups and pull it in. So this is actually our stairs. this will be our actually the stairs. So it will go all around this way. Maybe in the height we can see it. So it's actually not reaching actually the steps, so we just need to type in 15, but the actual should be 16. So it will give a warning that the riser height may be more than. Just hit OK, and now it's reaching the desired level. Now we have to just actually see if that doesn't conflict with our entry stairs. So I'm just choosing it, so it's actually far more away and above the stairs, above the actually it is far more above the entry door, so there is no conflict, so we need not to fix anything. So let us just go ahead and go to the level 0 again, or the level 1. So just go to the level 1, close all the other windows. Now we will be just deleting these reference planes. Okay, so actually we can just select all of them and choose filter, check none, choose the reference planes, click OK, then choose erase, and you are done. Now these reference planes are not selected because they were not in Windows, the window we draw. So we have just finished with the internal stairs here. Now with the external stairs, what we are going to do is to go to the stairs, and I'm just choosing the stairs here, and maybe we can choose the 5 feet wide this time, because maybe 5 feet, we can later on fix that. We are choosing this left, and we will choose the 3 steps, and it will go from, we can just set it later. So just choose the landing here, click on add to stairs, and then choose the edit, and now select the landing from here until there, and just lock it here. Okay, just choose OK. So actually this is a 5 feet wide stairs, and it's just coinciding with our plinth wall, so we are just fine. So actually I want to reduce this. I'll just choose the levels because I want it to run from a particular level to a particular other level. Okay, just click on the stairs. I just want it to run from level 0 to level 1, and it will be 3. So I don't need 5 steps, I need only the 3 steps. So I'm just choosing the 3 steps. Okay, actually we can edit the stairs, and actually we can reduce this to 3 stairs, to 3 steps. Okay, 3 plus 1 steps. So just click OK, delete this external railing here, go to the 3D, and if I am sure, if I just choose the section box to run around, so this is actually going up. So actually we need to actually place the 4 here, because this is the 3 plus 1 of the landing, 1 for the landing. Okay, this is the external stairs, we have just placed it. So we need to actually cover this up. We will go to the level 0, and we'll cover the underneath the stairs with some wall. So I'm just going to wall and choose here finished face exterior. So just choose this, maybe let us choose this, maybe. Okay, let us just choose this first wall. So just finish the wall, and now just click on edit profile, go to the east elevation, and now what we need to do, we need to go from level 0 to the level 1. So it's there. So I'm just picking up the certain lines so that we can cover up and we will be deleting the extra lines. We are just modifying the profile of the wall. I'm just erasing the upper lines and the left line, and again here we will be trimming. Just hit OK, just close and see if it works. Fine. So this is the wall. Actually we can choose, say, this one, maybe better looking. So actually let us just choose the generate 5-inch wall because it is more. So actually we have just done some error, so I'm just choosing the right side, and let me just fix that. Okay, actually we need to move that from here to here. Okay, remove the constraints and just choose OK. So this is the wall. We have just fixed that. Congrats, you have successfully created the stairs and the wall. So I'm just going to the level 0, maybe